Last week, the fascist army of Turkey started its attacks on Afrin. We, as the internationalist fighters of YPG, are now going to defend Afrin against the fascist Turkish state. From Germany to China, from the United States to Britain, we came to Rojava and fought against the terrorism of Daesh gangs, who were actively supported by the Erdogan regime. We now confront the fascist terrorism under a new flag, the Turkish flag. Most of the world watched as Kobani burned and bled and learned that Rojava will not bow, that YPG and YPG could not be broken. Most of the world watched as we brought Daesh to its knees. We buried the sick dreams of the caliphate and liberated their so-called capital. Now, on the banks of the Euphrates, we are finishing our work. Is it a coincidence that the Erdogan regime attacked Afrin as the Daesh gangs were about to be completely destroyed? If not for YPG and YPG, how many black flags would still fly? How many graves would have been filled? How much blood has been spared by the struggle of YPG, not only in Syria but also all over the world? Now the world watches as the YPG stands again against terrorism and aggression. Now the world watches Afrin. Challenging recklessly international law, the Turkish fascist state is trying to invade Afrin. We have fought against Daesh for humanity. Now we ask, will the world support us? We stand against this aggression. Stand with us. We raise our voices against the shameless lies. Raise your voices with us. We fight against fascism. Fight with us. We promise the world that Rojava will be the grave for the fascist Erdogan regime. This invasion is a threat to the accomplishments of years of struggle for women's liberation, pluralism, and democracy. Any attack on Rojava is an attack on these values. We will stand to defend these values. YPG fights for humanity. Will the world support us? This Turkish aggression cannot go unchallenged by the international community. We cannot grow numb to such atrocities. Fascism is fascism. We ask the world to speak out against it. To be silent in response to the invasion of Afrin is to choose